Today we have to solve some problems from the exercise 3.1. Here is the one sum. Y is equal to cube root of a square plus x square. We have to solve this. We have to take derivative on both sides with respect to x. Therefore, we have to first thing simplify this question. Y is equal to a square plus x square raised to power 1 upon 3. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get d by dx of this is y, d by dx of a square plus x square raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to as it is. Now this is in the form of x raised to n. We have to consider this part. So therefore we have to solve this part by using the formula x raised to n. That is nothing the formula. X raised to n derivative is nothing but n into x raised to n minus 1. By that way 1 upon 3 is n, a square plus x square as it is, n minus 1. Now here we have to apply the chain rule because we have to consider this part. Once again, this is called as a chain rule. Now we have to take it separately. D by dx of a square plus x square. This is our chain rule. 1 upon 3, this is as it is. A square plus x square as it is. Now we have to solve this. We will get minus 2 upon 3. Now we have to take derivative of this bracket. Multiply sign as it is. Now we have to make a box. D by dx of a square plus d by dx of x square is equal to as it is 1 upon 3 as it is. A square plus x square, this is minus 2 upon 3 as it is. Now this is the constant. The derivative of constant is 0. Derivative of x square is 2x. Therefore this is 1 upon 3 as it is. A square plus x square raised to minus 2 upon 3 into this is 2x. Now the final answer is 2x as it is upon this 3 as it is. A square plus x square raised to 2 upon 3. This is our final answer, dy by dx. Now we have to solve another sum. The same method we have to apply. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Therefore d by dx of this y, and this is d by dx of log of 10x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2 is equal to sign as it is. Now we have to consider this part as x. The derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So
Go.
1 upon 10 into x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Now we have to take derivative of this part over here. That is d by dx of 10x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Therefore it's a 1 upon 10 into x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2 into we have to differentiate this part. 10 into d by dx of x raised to 4 plus 5 into d by dx of x cube minus 3 into d by dx of x square plus d by dx of the constant number 2. Now it's 1 upon 10 into x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Multiply sign. 10 as it is. Derivative of x raised to 4 is 4 into x raised to 4 minus 1, that is 3, plus 5 as it is. X raised to cube, derivative is 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2, minus 3 into derivative of this x square is 2x plus derivative of constant is 0, is equal to, as it is, 1 upon 10 into x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2 as it is, multiply sign as it is. This is 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x. Now the final answer is 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x upon 10x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. This is the final answer. Now we have to deal with one last sum, that is over here. Now another question is y is equal to 5 raised to x plus log x. This is the form a raised to x form. So now we have to consider this part as x. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now we are having d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of 5 raised to x plus log x. This 5 we have to consider as a and this as a x. So a raised to x form, that means answer of that part is a raised to x into log a. So by that way, 5 raised to x plus log x, this is a raised to x form into log a means 5, this will be log 5. Now we have considered this part as x, we have to differentiate it separately, that is called as the chain rule. So therefore d by dx of x plus log x. Now 5 raised to x plus log x as it is into log 5 as it is into, we have to take it differentiate separately. So now we are having d by dx of this is x plus d by dx of log x. This as it is into log 5. Now this will get cancelled, this will be 1 and derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So therefore 5 raised to x plus log x into log 5 as it is, we have to solve this. X as it is, cross multiply x plus 1. So now this is our final answer. Thank you.